If and whether is used with with asked and inquired of. Inquired of. With asked and inquired of. With asked and inquired of, this is used. Like example, you will see example. Through example, you will try to understand this. That Juhi said is something missing from the drawer. Juhi said is something missing from drawer. Drawer is something missing from drawer. Here you will see Juhi said will change into asked. Juhi asked. This is the yes no question. And it will, here you can use in the place of single inverted comma if or whether both can be used. If or whether both can be used. If or whether is something missing, you will convert this sentence into assertive sentence. Whether something was missing from drawer. Missing from drawer. Something missing from drawer. This is the correct. Was missing from drawer. This is the correct conversion. And further you will see. In this process you will see that some sentences are given in some sentences models are given and will and shall are given, and that will be changed in another form like this. The teacher said. Can you write a letter? क्या आप एक पत्र लिख सकते हैं? Here, when you will change into indirect speech, the teacher asked. Here can is used. But this is yes no type question. So you will use if you write. This is the second person. Second person is you change according to the object, and object will be supposed. The teacher said to students will be supposed here. Students are not given, but they will be supposed here. And students are third person. So this will be third person plural number. This will change into third person plural number if they could write a letter. Next is if shall and will is given in a sentence. How you will change them? For shall and will. You will see the father said shall we go to the market. Shall we go to the market? Shall we go to the market? The father said. The father said. Shall we go to the market? Shall we go to the market? Here the father said. The father asked. The father asked. Father asked. पिताजी ने पूछा. क्या? If shall we go to the market? Shall we will change into we is the first person, will change according to the father and they. If they, we will change into they. We will change into they because we is the first person plural number and that will change according to the father, and father is the also third person, so we will convert into third person plural number. If they would go to the if they would go to the market. If they would go to the market. If they would go to the market. Now exercise are given in your book. You will see as you will see at page number 158. Page number 158. Page number 158. The first exercise is saying, my niece said, Aunt Myra, are you afraid of the spider? No, I said. No, I said. The first sentence is given and how you will convert it into from direct to indirect. My niece said. I am just converting it here. My niece said. My niece. N-I-E-C. My niece asked. My niece asked. Aunt Maria asked to Aunt Myra. To Aunt Myra. To Aunt Myra. To Aunt are you afraid of spiders? Are you afraid of? If she was afraid of spider. Afraid of spiders. No, I said. Myra said spiders and Myra replied in negation. Okay. And the second is the teacher said to the little girl. Teacher said to the little girl, do you want me to help you, dear? Do you want to help me, dear? The teacher asked the little girl. I am direct converting here. The teacher asked the little girl. The teacher asked the little girl, do you want me to help you, dear? Do you want me to help you? If she want will change into wanted. If she wanted wanted him to help. If she wanted him to help her. The teacher asked the little girl. You will remove dear from here. That's no use. The teacher asked the little girl. Teacher ने छोटी बच्चे से पूछा. This is a yes no type question. Yes no type question. And in this question you will see in yes no type question you will see that the work of connecting is done by if or whether. So here if is applied, and you will change the sentence into assertive form, and you will also change the person tense according to the rules. That's okay. And some exercises are given here, and you will complete them. And next is conversion of interrogative sentences into direct speech. इसी का जस्ट अपोजिट है, ये इसी का ठीक उल्टा है, सारे रूल को डाइवर्ट कर दिया जाएगा. कन्वर्जन ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इनटू डायरेक्ट स्पीच. कन्वर्जन ऑफ you will see conversion of direct speech into direct conversion of interrogative sentences into direct speech. Conversion of interrogative sentences interrogative sentences into direct speech. Okay. Now a sentence is given here for your change. She asked me where he had kept the folder. She asked me where he had kept the folder. Where he had kept the folder. How will you change this sentence into direct form? You will see here. She said to him. Okay. Here asked will change into said to. Asked will change into said to. And where is the question word? After imposing comma here, and single inverted comma will start. Where he had kept the folder. Will change into have you kept the have you kept the folder. Okay. Have you kept the folder? At the last, you will write the question sign of interrogation and single inverted comma close. In this way, you will change all the given direct speech into all the given interrogative sentence into direct speech. That is given at page number 158. And if you have any problem, you can contact me at my cell number, which you already know. And mention not to say have a nice day, and see you next. Thank you.